guys, welcome back. My name is Doro and I wish you a happy Friday. In today's video, we are going to try Neutrogena Hydro Boost face mask. I wanted to hydrate my lips and the corner of my mouth. I wanted to test the hydration because that's what it is for. Instantly quenches skin, deeply hydrates, and leaves skin supple and hydrated. And that's what I really wanted to see if it actually does that. So we already took the face mask out of the package. I have to warn you guys, this face mask is really messy. When I open it, I already had a plate and I put it on the plate because it drips a lot and it has a lot of juice and all that stuff. But the texture, it's so interesting. It's super slippery. So I wonder if this will stay on the face. The first step says we need to wash our face, so I already did. So I got the first part, put the smooth part on the outside and the rough and hard part in the inside, and that's what's gonna make the face mask stay. That doesn't say in the instructions or anything like that, so I guess if you wanted to just go and do this. So this is the other part. Oh, and I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. When I put it on, it felt weird, you know, because the hydrogel material is like slippery and it's weird. It feels a little bit funny on the face, but then it feels comfortable. I think within the 15 minutes, it's everything, it feels fine. But after the 15 minutes, and I still feel this area right here a little bit numb, like tingling. I'm not sure what it is, but that's how it feels at this point. One of the things that I like the most is the cooling feeling that you get once you put the hydrogel on your face. It didn't touch this face mask and it stayed on like this for 30 minutes. I am super impressed. Now that I took it off, it feels great. It feels fantastic. And they're not dry anymore and they feel plump and they feel soft. If you guys don't like sticky face mask or anything like that, this is one of the face masks that you should definitely give it a try. So far, I have no reaction or anything like that. Everything else was absolutely amazing. This is all I have for today. Subscribe if you like this channel, and if you like this kind of videos, let me know in the comments below what else can I try. I will be super happy to give it a try. Just remember, I do only skincare. I don't do any makeup. I'm sorry. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on Monday. Pura Vida!